Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting essentials: the Lenovo model and serial number, plus the Microsoft account email you used. Once done, decide whether this is a BitLocker or Lenovo managed key. That determines the path. Reboot immediately into BIOS/UEFI or press the Novo button to enter WinRe if Windows won't start. From there, choose Troubleshoot and Advanced Options so you can query for a key ID or prepare to export recovery information. This rapid setup removes guesswork and moves you to the next stage. Next, find the actual recovery key identifier. Open Command Prompt in WinRe and run Manage BDE Protectors getC to display the key ID. Note it exactly. If the system is accessible, open Lenovo Vantage or BIOS security pages. Some models list key ID under security settings. Once you have the ID, sign into your Microsoft account, look under Devices or BitLocker recovery keys, and match the key ID to retrieve the 48-digit recovery key. This precise match, finally, use the 48-digit recovery key you matched to unlock BitLocker or sign into Windows. Enter it exactly when prompted. If you cannot find the key in Microsoft, Azure AD, or a printed backup, contact Lenovo support with the serial number and ownership proof. They can guide service options. Once recovered, make a habit. Save the key to your Microsoft account and export a backup to encrypted storage. If unlocking fails, reboot and re-verify the key ID before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.